Are you planning a trip to Sapa, a must-see tourist attraction in Vietnam? Nestled in the misty mountains of northwest Vietnam, Sapa is a stunning blend of natural beauty and rich culture. Whether you're traveling solo or with others, these top 10 expert tips from Golden Holiday Travel will help you make the most of your adventure. Let's dive in and get ready for an unforgettable journey. 1. Plan the right time to visit Sapa. First and foremost, timing is everything. While the cool climate makes Sapa a year-round destination, each season brings its own charm. For the most stunning views, plan your trip between May and September, when the rice terraces glow in vibrant green and the skies are clear with magnificent mountain view. For a more serene experience, visit on weekdays to skip the weekend crowds, enjoy quieter villages, peaceful hikes, and even score better deals on stays and services. 2. Travel options to Sapa from Hanoi capital. Traveling from Hanoi to Sapa is an experience in itself, with options to suit every style and budget. The overnight train lets you unwind in a cozy sleeper cabin and wake up to the scenic hills of Lao Cai, followed by a short ride to Sapa town. For comfort and speed, limousine buses and vans offer spacious seats and Wi-Fi. Budget travelers can rely on local buses for an affordable trip, while private cars provide the freedom to stop at scenic spots and en route. If you're up for adventure, a motorbike ride from Hanoi to Sapa offers an unforgettable way to explore the countryside. Just be ready for a long, varied journey. 3. Pack accordingly for Sapa's weather and trekking adventure. When traveling to Sapa, packing smart is essential to fully enjoy your trip. The weather can change quickly, from sunny and mild to cold and damp, especially at higher altitudes. Dress in layers, bring thermal wear, a waterproof jacket, and warm accessories like beanies and gloves. Sturdy hiking boots with good grip are a must for slippery, uneven trails, along with moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet dry on long hikes. Also, pack a rain jacket and a waterproof backpack cover since sudden rain showers are frequent, especially during the wet season. For trekking enthusiasts, a well-packed day pack, trekking poles, and quick dry clothing will make your adventures safer and more enjoyable. Long sleeves and pants protect you from insects and scratches. Don't forget sunglasses, a hat, and sunscreen. The mountain sun can be strong. Always carry a reusable water bottle, a basic first aid kit, and energy snacks to stay hydrated and fueled along the journey. 4. Explore Sapa with local guides, Hmong or Red Zao. One of the most enriching ways to explore Sapa is with a local guide, especially from the Hmong or Red Zao communities. These guides are not only experts in navigating the region's trails, but also serve as cultural ambassadors, sharing stories, customs, and insights that you won't find in guidebooks. With their help, you'll gain access to hidden paths, remote villages, and authentic interactions with local families, opportunities to witness traditional rituals, listen to folklore, and even participate in local festivities. 5. Discover hidden villages and less touristy spots. To truly escape the crowds and discover Sapa's untouched charm, venture beyond well-known spots. The region is dotted with lesser-visited gems such as Ban Ho, Nam Kam, and Giang Ta Chai. These villages offer tranquil landscapes, welcoming hosts, and glimpses into age-old customs. If you're eager to delve deeper, Golden Holiday Travel's experts can tailor your itinerary to include these off-the-beaten-path experiences. 6. Travel responsibly and authentically. Traveling responsibly is more than just a trend. It's a way to ensure your visit benefits Sapa's communities and environment. Embrace local services by hiring indigenous guides, staying in family-run homestays, and enjoying home-cooked meals. Support artisans by purchasing handmade crafts directly from the source, and always show respect for local customs, beliefs, and the natural surroundings. Sustainable tourism helps preserve Sapa's unique cultural heritage for generations to come. 7. Enjoy Scenic Love Waterfall, a serene oasis among Sapa's waterfalls. Among Sapa's many natural wonders, Love Waterfall stands out as a serene oasis. The hike to the waterfall is a journey through lush forests, vibrant flora, and the soothing sounds of nature. Upon arrival, you can cool off in the crystal-clear pool at the base, an invigorating reward after your trek. This scenic spot is perfect for both relaxation and photography, capturing the essence of Sapa's wild beauty. 8. Homestay in Sapa's villages. A great tip to know more about local cultures. For a deeper cultural immersion, consider staying in a local homestay. Spend a night in a stilted wooden house, share meals with your hosts, and join in daily activities like weaving, cooking, or farming. This is more than just accommodation. It's a chance to forge genuine connections, learn about traditional ways of life, and become part of the community, even if only for a short while. 9. Conquer Fansipan by cable car. No visit to Sapa would be complete without experiencing the grandeur of Fansipan, the highest peak in Vietnam. Thanks to the modern cable car, reaching the roof of Indochina is now accessible to all, regardless of trekking experience. Plan your ascent for a clear weekday, check the operational status of the cable car, and dress warmly for the chilly summit. After the ride, a short climb, either by stairs or connecting train, brings you to panoramic viewpoints and sacred sites where breathtaking vistas await. 10. Diverse experiences beyond trekking in Sapa. Finally, remember that Sapa offers much more than trekking. Enjoy leisurely walks to enchanting waterfalls, marvel at the panoramic views from Tram Tun Heaven Gate or O Ki Ho Pass, or try your hand at traditional crafts like batik making. Visit bustling local markets, join a cooking class, or simply relax in the tranquil embrace of mountain scenery. Sapa's diversity of experiences means there's something for every traveler, from cultural enthusiasts and nature lovers to thrill seekers and those in search of peace. With these top 10 tips from Golden Holiday Travel, your Sapa journey becomes more than just a trip. It's a meaningful adventure into Vietnam's northern beauty and culture. Prepare smart, travel responsibly, and embrace the moments that turn into lifelong memories. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're Golden Holiday Travel, your trusted local tour operator in Hanoi. Planning a Vietnam trip? Reach out anytime for expert advice and personalized travel support.